In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download YouTube videos and music for free, ethically and legally. I will also show you how to do this on your phone, your mobile device. Maybe you really enjoy some fitness content that I've created over on Elite Fit with Andrea Jean, daily home workouts. Just click on any of the video that you are interested in downloading and you can listen to this offline. Go ahead and click this download button. You can see right here with the arrow. And then YouTube is going to prompt you download this video with Premium Plus. Enjoy YouTube ad-free offline and in the background. And you can choose to download high resolution or medium resolution. We can get it for 3 months free, or we could go ahead and skip the trial. We're here on desktop. So if we look on the left-hand side and we scroll on down, you're going to want to go ahead and click YouTube Premium here on the left-hand side. There are so many benefits to YouTube Premium. You can have ad-free and background play. But by the way, I'm going to link a video in the description box below that shows you how to do this without YouTube Premium. You can also have downloads, YouTube Premium music, ad-free. I think this is the biggest benefit for many of us. If you're on an airplane and you can't get data, it's easy to access your favorite music and YouTube videos. This right here is really helpful to know. You can listen offline for up to 30 days without being connected to the internet. So how is this free? I will get to that in just a second. For just $11.99 a month, you can support your favorite creators, show them love and support so that they can continue to create the content and music that you enjoy. Think of it like buying a cup of coffee for your favorite YouTuber. So how do you get this for free, Andrea? You have a 3-month trial period right here. And then after that, YouTube will charge you. It says that they will send you an email before your trial ends. If you want to end your trial, I would recommend putting a reminder in your phone so that you remember to cancel that membership. If you're saying, Andrea, $11.99 a month, I cannot afford that. They also have some ways that you can save money here with your annual, family, or student plan, and you can save a few dollars. For your student, $6.99 a month, that's pretty good. And if you pay for the annual plan 12 months upfront, it ends up breaking down to just under $10 a month. So you do save some money. I'm going to put a link also in the description box below besides how to listen to background music without YouTube Premium so that you can connect directly from your mobile device to that YouTube Premium link. Also, click this video on screen now. If you're looking for 6 proven ways to make money with your YouTube channel, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see my friend in the next one.